So everything that's on a hanger is in there and it's ready. And there's different compartments of the garment bag. This one here, I normally like to put things that like shoes or let's see, any other little knickknacks that you need to make sure you have. These are comfortable yet professional shoes that you can wear if you're going out or if you're in meetings or if you're being casual. So these are perfect. Make sure you have comfortable shoes whenever you go out of town. I love insoles just in case. Working as a nurse, whenever I'm in the hospital, I need to make sure I promote good circulation in my legs and in my body. So I always use like a Dr. Scholl's insole. This one is really good. It's orthotics and it helps to promote blood flow and helps to keep your arch in your feet. So I always take an extra one because I love them and they make my feet comfortable, especially working long hours as a nurse. So this compartment I'll go ahead and zip up because I have a few things in here that I'll need for my trip. The garment bag folds, and look, we have another pocket. So in this pocket, I'll pack clothes or things that I don't really want to get ruined, and I'll have my scrubs, which are my favorite ones, and I'll go ahead and put my sweater in this compartment.